Good morning. Happy Tuesday. It was so good seeing you guys yesterday. Those of you who made it to the Zoom meeting, okay? And Miss Evans will have another one set up for us soon, I hope. All right, so today, hey guys, I'm only getting a couple of you sending me a message about the pledge, okay? So be sure and email that to me. All right, so then page 2, we've got, Miss Hyde is doing an awesome video. This one is a cool word, so that'll be fun. Then you're going to write your sentence. Then you're going to watch a brain pop and then answer this question. Okie dokie. And then you have one more, Ancient Greece Introduction to the Government of Democracy, guys. Our democracy, the way we have our government, came from here. Their system of government is what we looked at when we built our own, when our founding fathers started, okay? So you're going to watch that and just tell me one thing you learned. Hey, and guys, nothing is not a legit answer, okay? Think of something that you did not know before when you watched that video, okay? It's not a very long video. All right, so watch the video, maybe watch it twice, and really think of something that you didn't know, okay? All right, and so let's go back up to our first slide, okay? So there you go. That is it for tomorrow. I told you we're going to work on it's important that you do what we put on there, guys, but I'm trying to really streamline it so it's not quite so much stuff, okay? All right. I love you guys. Have a great day.